You can say any word in English and I will translate it for you.
Okay. Window.
Yeah. Fönsterruta. Yeah, like the sound of that, va?
Okay. How about elbow?
Armbåge.
Uh-huh.
Yeah, yeah,
Well, I'm really honored to be selected for this demonstration.
yeah. You
Yeah.
enjoy it?
Yeah. Yeah, I enjoy it. I
Cool.
enjoy it. I'm eating dinner, but that's okay.
Oh, sorry for interrupting.
That's all right.
Well, you want to learn a new word?
How about the word for love?
Kärlek.
And in what language is this?
Swedish.
Swedish. Okay,
Yes.
say it again.
Kärlek.
Shaliek?
Kärlek.
Shalia.
Kärlek.
Oh, Shaliet.
Yeah. Yeah, something
Hmm.
like that.
Hmm. Okay. Well,
Yeah,
thank
yeah.
you.
Well, have a
I,
nice
I
day.
Yeah, hey, I appreciate your phone call, and it's off the wall, but it's all right, brother.
Yeah,
It's all right.
have a nice day.
Okay, you too, man. Bye bye.
Yeah, bye bye.
Åh, det där var snyggt.